Hey food lovers! Today I'm taking you on a culinary journey straight from London's vibrant street food markets to your own kitchen. We're making a Hawaiian-inspired poke bowl that's packed with fresh flavors and colorful toppings. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. First up, the base. Rinse 2 cups of sushi rice under cold water until the water runs clear. Cook it with 2½ cups of water using a rice cooker or on the stovetop. Once cooked, let it rest for 10 minutes. Mix 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and ½ teaspoon of salt, then gently fold it into the warm rice. Let it cool to room temperature. Now let's talk protein. Dice 8 ounces of fresh sashimi-grade fish, tuna, salmon, or both, whatever you like. In a bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar, ½ teaspoon of honey or sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, and 1 thinly sliced green onion. Toss the fish in this delicious marinade and refrigerate for 15 to 30 minutes. Time to assemble. Divide the cooled rice into bowls. Place the marinated fish on top. Now add your toppings: sliced avocado, thinly sliced cucumber, shredded carrots, shelled edamame, crumbled nori, thinly sliced radish, and a bit of pickled ginger. Get creative. Add mango cubes, seaweed salad, or microgreens if you like. Finish with a drizzle of spicy mayo. That's 2 tablespoons of mayo mixed with 1 teaspoon of sriracha. Sprinkle extra sesame seeds and a splash of soy or ponzu sauce. And there you have it. Quick tip: for dietary needs, swap the fish for tofu or cooked shrimp. Mix up the toppings based on what's in season or your personal taste. Pineapple for a tropical touch, kimchi for some extra spice. Go wild! I hope you enjoy making and eating your very own Hawaiian poke bowl. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Catch you next time.